Hey guys, I'm Tina with CanadaToolParts.ca. What we're working on today is a Bostich N80SB. This works the same for the coil nailers. A lot of the roofing nailers use the same trigger. What ends up happening is you go to plug in your tool to the air line and you realize it is blowing air out of the trigger area. You can fire a shot, but then it won't retract the driver unless you unplug the hose, which is common with these things. Especially common if your trigger is green in color. That's the old style. The new style is the same part number, but they've changed it. Anyways, here we're going to start. You're going to notice that you can actually see a little bit better. We got you a little closer to the actual tool. You're going to order a TVA 6. In the kit, I'm not going to cheat and use my roll pin punch. I'm actually going to use what comes in the kit. So in the kit, you get your trigger, your grease, and a roll pin punch. Like I said, I'm going to do it just like as if you guys were going to be doing it. So you got to get this trigger out of the way. So we're going to go after the the roll pin that's the furthest back. That comes out. Now yours might have 2 roll pins, or in the case of this one, only 1 roll pin actually holding the trigger in. You can air it up and that'll pop the trigger out. Make sure you put a rag in front of that trigger because it's going to come out basically almost like a bullet, plastic bullet that is, but still. I just use a pair of side cutters, grab the tit, it's shot anyways. If you guys are curious, I'm going to show you really quickly why this thing blows air. And unfortunately, you have to replace the whole trigger because they don't sell the part that's shot, because that would just make too much sense. Lo and behold. Sorry for reaching front, but as you can see, all the little bits and pieces, it's this seal here that it just deteriorates over time. Oil and rubber, they get along for a while, but not for very long. So that's why this thing is leaking, and that's why they all leak. Anyways, don't forget to pull the damn plastic off the trigger. Seems common sense, but somebody out there will probably be, well, I thought it was supposed to go in like that. There we go. Got a low static electricity, a little bit of grease. As you can see, it's just kind of all over the place. What I'll do after, so I'll go back with my finger and just kind of move it into place all the way around. Get that. If you've gone a little overboard, no biggie. Shove it into there. Tool could probably use it. Okay, you want to make sure there are 2 slots on this thing. There's these ones which are thicker, and then there's ones that kind of look like, well, they look like that. This is not where you want the roll pin to go. That is where you want the roll pin to go. You can see that it's nice and round, and it fits in there perfectly. So that goes in there like so. Just a gentle push. If it's hard to go in, do not force it. Come back, try it again. What I always like to do is I like to use the tool just to make sure that, oh, lo and behold, it does want to come back out. Just to make sure that it's lined up properly. Oh, that's a tight one. Okay. To there. You want it flush. I don't know if you can't see it. That roll pin is nice and flush now. Now the other one, I didn't knock it all the way out. It's just like that. You can see it's still sticking right there. So that goes in here like so. you'll feel it get tight. If you do feel it get tight, you can wiggle it around and you'll feel it where it goes click and the roll pin's in the hole. From there we go. It's almost all the way through, or all the way in I should say, not all the way through. And again, you want it flush. We're flush, we're done. From there, we're just going to add air and test the tool, make sure everything functions properly. So that is how you repair this unit. I bang it off, but it's going to be loud and obnoxious, and I really don't kind of want to hear that, or at least not on the camera. So that's how you fix this thing. If you have any questions, you can email down below. Other than that, keep watching the videos. Hope you like the videos, and I'm Tino with CanadaToolParts.ca, and I'm on it. We'll see you next time.